Hope doing good. I'm come back with new topics in WordPress. So if you want to learn on these topics, you just stay with me. All right. So now I'll show you how you can add new page on your page. On your WordPress website. This is the WordPress website. You see there is showing two pages, one home, another one is like a simple page. So now I go to back WordPress dashboard. So if you want to add a new page, new WordPress page, like you can click new and new page. So here in showing some options. Here will be like new name, page name, and here will be like your page content. All right. So if you want to add new page, like I just add about page, about us. Now you can add your content as your your company or your personal information as a like. All right. So I just add image block. We can just like add this one. So this is the static content. I just added here. Now I just publish this page. If you want to see this page, then you can click on view page. All right. Yeah. Added. Also here in showing the about us page. All right. So if you want to reorder this menu, you should go to menu option. And if you want to learn on these topics, you just stay with me. I will make new video how you can manage your WordPress website menu. So that's it. It's the pretty easy. Now you can change the page content. If you want to delete this page, you just delete. You can add more content, then you just save. Now you can reload this page. No content here. So it's the easy. And thanks for the watching. Bye bye.